Morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan and this time I have taken the poem The Road Not Taken. So this well-known poem is written by Robert Frost, and this is about making choices in our life. That is very important thing, and we have to be very careful while we have to make any choice in our life. We have to be very careful, thinking about its consequence, result, also ability, and ready to face any risk if it is there. So about Robert Frost, he is an American poet who writes simply but insightfully about common, ordinary experiences. So here are four stanzas are there, and rhyming scheme is there. Would, stood, could. So A, B, B, again A, B. So A, B, B is the rhyming scheme here in this poem that is followed here. And then I am coming to the first stanza. The poet is saying that two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I couldn't travel both, and be one traveler long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it went in the undergrowth. The poet is saying that once he was standing at the point where two roads were diverged, and it was autumn season, so leaves were turned into yellow color, and he had to choose only one way, only one road. He was thinking which road to be chosen, because it was very difficult to decide. So he was there looking the first road, and he could see the first road, but he could not see more because the road was there covered with bushes or undergrowth or tiny plants. So this yellow wood is here also in another meaning about this world with elderly people, where the poet was all alone and he had to make choices, and he had to make only one choice out of two, and he was thinking about the first choice, and he thought many times, and then he left the first choice, he left the first road as he was not able to see that road clearly, then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted where, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So he took the second road, the second choice. It was also grassy, and it was wanted where means it is also figure of speech alliteration, and wanted where means the road that was there less traveled by the people, like many people they didn't travel there, it was traveled by less people. So he thought the better claim to choose the second road, because it was also grassy fair as the first one was there, and the second road was not traveled by many people. It means that few people had walked upon that road, and that road was adventurous, that road was risky. And then he said that both the roads were covered with leaves equally they were covered in the morning, but the second road was not used by many people, it was used by less people. It means the second road was risky in compare of the first road. It was adventurous, it was difficult, it was not very easy. Now come to third stanza. And both that morning equally lay in leaves, no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So here the poet is saying both the roads were equally covered with leaves in the morning, but the second road was not used, so its leaves were not crushed. Trodden black means not crushed, or not the leaves were not crushed and not turned black. So he decided that I will choose the first road another day, and today this time I will choose the second road. And then he is saying that yet knowing how way leads on to way. He is saying that he was aware about the result, about the way which the second choice will lead to him. He knew very well the consequence and the way he would be there to follow, and he would be there in his future. And he also knew very well that he will not be able to change his decision. Now fourth and last stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh, somewhere ages and ages hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less travelled by, and that has made all the difference. So here the poet is saying that after this decision, when I will take after this, I would be telling about this decision to my younger generation, to my future generation, about this decision that once upon a time I had a doubt to which road should I take, and then I chose the second road, and then that decision made difference in my life, because choices affect our future, they affect our life. So here poetic devices are there, figure of speech is there, roads are here for for choices, so metaphor is there, and has been repeated twice, and sorry and be one traveler, so it is thrice it has been repeated, so it is anaphora. And then wanted where, wa sound has been repeated, so it is here alliteration. So this is here about this poem, and rhyming scheme is there. Would, stood, could, these are rhyming, so we will give them a, and both, growth, these are rhyming, we will provide them b. So it will be a b, a b, a b. So this rhyming scheme has been followed in the poem, and then I hope you would have understood well. Thank you and Jai Hind.